Guys, let's see what he is. It looks like... Good luck, everybody. Played by C.J. Graham in the original movie. Well, part 6, not the original movie, obviously. Alright, boys, about to call Tommy.
Is anyone there? This is not a prank.
Calling
we need your help.
Tommy, baby.
Jason is killing us. We need your help.
In case that
Jason's
boy want to
alive.
kill me.
Please help us.
Alright, Jason's on me, guys. I hear his dirty music. Oh, no, he's on somebody else. I see him over there. Sorry, bud. Okay. Yeah, I see that I got a friend request, guys. I can't accept it while I'm playing. Very hard. Very hard to do. Hey, listen, whoever's up here with me, I have the keys, so let's just find them and fix this. Let's fix this car and get out of here. Oh, shoot. Car's way down there. Okay. Hey guys, listen, I got the keys, so we need to fix the car. Good job, whoever's doing that. Good job. Ah! Jason's over here, boys. Alright, so we put the gas in the car and the propeller on the boat. So we've almost got it done. In the car? Okay, no worries, no worries. We're just trying to find... I've got the keys, we just need... one more piece is what I'm saying. The battery might be in the main house. It might be... Okay, no worries. Then that means it's going to be at those houses that are just below the main house. I'm over at the main house right now, so it's all good. It's all good. We got this.
Go, go.
I'm gonna go check these houses below the house. Hey, everybody loves a knife. Sometimes. Hey, the phone house is over here, guys. If anybody has the fuse, it's just below the main house. I'm gonna go look for the phone. Hey guys, if you have the phone fuse, the fuse house is just under the main house. Okay, take it to the main, take it to the car, take it to the car, main house. I've got the keys. Alright, cool. I'll meet you there. I'm a long way off though. I'm not too far off. See if you can find a weapon, I'll be there in 1 second. This guy seems like a kinda... Yeah, just... Yeah, cause... He should be pretty easy to get out on. Other than him being part 6. So I don't think he's trapping anything or anything like that. Plus I got a knife. Come to the car, come to the car. Everybody come to the car. Come to the car, come to the car, come to the car. Well, there's 2 people. I'm making sure everybody heard me. No, I know you are, but the other person...
It worked. It actually worked.
Y'all let me know when you're in. Alright, 1's in, 2's in. Let go! Alright. I'm gonna try to get out this way. Alright, he's up ahead. He's up ahead, but he's on somebody. It's full, I'm sorry, it's full. See, he's tunneling him, so he's not even coming for us. Ah, nice. It's probably Lone Wolf. Hey, by the way, if he does catch the car somehow, guys, I've got a knife. Oh, he's over there. Never mind. He's still chasing that other guy. Hey, full car, babies. Somebody might come back as Tommy, huh? Hey, yeah, good job. GG's. Easy peasy. That was easy. That Jason was a little not the best, but it's okay. It happens. Some people are new. I understand. Oh, he was on cash. Oh, Wolf. Yeah, I figured you were the one that got out in the boat. Haha. Wolf had the boat halfway fixed so early. Oh, he done got my boy. What is he doing? Yeah, see, this Jason's... I don't know what he's doing, guy. He's just holding him. He finally moved and he just kicked out. What the hell? It takes Chad so long to kick out also.
Please, no!
What are you doing, Jason? Yeah, well, I found the keys too, so I was like, let's focus on the car. But, I mean, with this Jason, it was...
You want some more?
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, well, a lot of our regulars aren't in today, so we're running into a bunch of newer Jasons. It happens. Though we should kill somebody, kill one of them at some point, right? There you go. GG's, GG's. Hey, sorry about that, Cash. Car was full, bud. Yeah, he had grabbed you earlier, and I didn't see him do anything. It was weird. GG's, y'all. GG's. Follow me on Twitch. EW Viper 1007 Comedy on YouTube. Say again. Yeah, that was fun. No worries, no worries.